Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Eufy C220 with the camera E220 and which one is actually better for what. So when we're going to look here, the C220 is primarily for baby monitoring. They got both same resolution, but the E220 is for indoor security. So it depends what you wanted, right? So the security Eufy, you can have also for the pet detection. AI tracking is in both. You're gonna have 360 in both two-way. Audio you have only for the security indoor camera. I didn't find the information right here. And you can have also the storage right here for the E120 and C220. So when we're gonna look here even further, you're gonna have the Apple HomeKit for E220. But on also here you're gonna have Alexa, Google Assistant, Home Base on both. Connectivity is wired. This is like a tie. Field of view is better for E220 or 360 degrees. Video capture format, again better for E220 because it's MP4. Then also weight is better for E220. And yeah, so just want to make this quick video for you regards, just like really quick comparison regards the specs. Now they're both good. I mean, you're not going to make a mistake if you're going to choose this one or that one. I just want to make this like quick specs comparison for you. So have a great day and goodbye.